Okay. So I think I pushed a button.
No, don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. So we're using basically about half a pickle here.
Yeah, that's a lot. It seems like a lot.
But we're going to finish chopping this up. But basically 1 can of tuna, about 1/4 of a red onion, about half of one of these large pickles, and about maybe 2 tablespoons of almond flour, maybe. Mm-hmm. Well, the show must go on. You know, that's what Shakespeare said, right? The show must go on. Okay, over here.
Okay.
Move over here.
Yeah, I'm wondering what that yellow round.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
All right, there we go.
Okay. You want to take over?
Not really. I'll mix it up.
I'm starting to cry.
Are you crying?
I am.
Okay. The rigors of cooking.
You want me to stir?
Here.
Okay, I'll stir. I'm going to put the knife in the sink.
In the sink? Okay. All right, stir that up good, my dear.
Okay.
You know what?
Did we put pepper in there? Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we put all kinds of stuff in there.
Okay, that smells good. Okay. That's probably good.
All right, awesome. Okay. Okay, well, I guess next comes the heat.
Okay.